Hi, today I'm going to be talking about how AI is affecting the environment. I am very interested in sustainability. I have founded and become the president of my local sustainability club throughout my school. In this club, we research, we research ways that daily innovations impact our world and how we can either lean into the innovations that are more helpful and have less of an impact, and how we can alter the uses of more negative of those innovations. Today, I would really like to touch base on how AI servers are impacting the world. Most of the servers are in the United States. There are at least 200 acres of property in the United States. We cannot be exactly sure because of the nature of privacy in the industry. Future plans that have started to be put into action account for at least 50,000 acres. Once again, there's no way of exactly knowing how much. Data centers have been around for a very long time. Data centers are not the issue with the negative side of sustainability in the AI. It is the rate that they are being created and manufactured. The International Energy Agency estimates that by 2026, electricity consumption by these data centers, cryptocurrency, and AI in general could reach up to 4% of annual global usage. This is comparable to the yearly usage of the entire country of Japan. Besides its energy usage, AI needs hardware devices. These hardware devices, in a lot of cases, are not received sustainably. The production, transport, maintenance, disposal of these hardware components all add to the sustainability of the project in general. These also require many sustainable and natural resources, for example, cobalt, silicon, gold, and a slew of other metals. The mining and production of these metals used in AI hardware can lead to soil erosion and pollution. Many electronics are not properly recycled, leading to electronic waste that can cause further pollution. Materials used in these devices can put a strain on the area. Another material also used heavily is water. Water is really needed to keep the machines at the correct temperature. They filter water through the systems. Well, it's kind of complicated. They filter water around them, obviously because they're technology, but they've used water to keep the systems cooled. And because of this can trigger droughts in more drought-prone areas where they are and put a strain on local resources. On the positive side of AI, it is really helpful with data entry, not even in the sustainability field, in all fields. It reduces the manpower needed for most projects. It reduces the time use. It can help speed up the ability to make sustainable projects happen by locating where needs help sustainably. What areas could be more drought prone and need more help. Any data entry, any data manipulation where it's trying to figure out statistics or anything really of that nature. Here I have a quote from an associate professor of industrial ecology and sustainable systems. "We need transparent, robust methods to assess environmental impacts. Without accurate quantification, it is impossible to mitigate and address these challenges efficiently." The increasing use of AI will have an effect on the Earth. The question is whether it will be a positive or a negative effect. We will only know once the issues brought up are addressed and we can see how it's used. Thank you.